Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the Keychron K5 Max, an ultra-slim wireless custom mechanical keyboard that's been generating a lot of buzz. Keychron has carved out a niche for themselves by offering feature-rich, customizable keyboards, and the K5 Max aims to deliver that experience in a low-profile design. First impressions matter, and the K5 Max doesn't disappoint. The sleek, minimalist aesthetic is immediately appealing. It's clear that Keychron has paid attention to detail, from the choice of materials to the overall build quality. The keyboard feels solid and well-constructed, with no noticeable flex or creaking. The K5 Max boasts a versatile connectivity suite, offering Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wired option. This flexibility makes it easy to switch between devices, whether it's a Mac, Windows PC, or even a Linux machine. The Bluetooth connection is stable and reliable, and the 2.4 GHz wireless provides a low-latency experience for gaming or other demanding tasks. One of the standout features of the K5 Max is its QMK via programmability. This allows users to remap keys, create custom macros, and fine-tune the keyboard's behavior to their exact preferences. The VIA software is intuitive and easy to use, making customization accessible even to those who are new to the world of mechanical keyboards. The hot swappable design is another major plus. This means you can easily swap out the switches without soldering, allowing you to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for your typing style. The K5 Max comes with low-profile Keychron red switches, which are known for their smooth, linear feel and quiet operation. These are a great choice for general use and are especially well-suited for those who prefer a lighter touch. The PBT keycaps are a welcome addition. PBT plastic is more durable and resistant to shine than ABS plastic, ensuring that the keycaps will maintain their texture and appearance over time. The keycaps have a slightly textured surface that feels great to the touch and provides excellent grip. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, with a wide range of colors and effects to choose from. You can adjust the brightness and speed of the lighting effects to create a personalized look. The backlighting is also functional, making it easier to type in low-light conditions. However, the low-profile design might not be for everyone. Some users may find that the shorter key travel and flatter keycaps take some getting used to. While the Keychron red switches are generally quiet, they may still be louder than a membrane keyboard. In terms of ergonomics, the K5 Max is relatively comfortable to use, thanks to its slim profile and adjustable feet. However, users who are accustomed to using a wrist rest may find that they need one to maintain a comfortable typing posture. Overall, the Keychron K5 Max is an excellent ultra-slim wireless custom mechanical keyboard that offers a compelling combination of features, performance, and aesthetics. Its versatile connectivity, QMK via programmability, hot swappable design, and durable PBT keycaps make it a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-quality, customizable keyboard. While the low-profile design may not be for everyone, those who appreciate a slim and stylish keyboard will find a lot to love in the K5 Max. It's a solid contender for the best ultra-slim keyboard on the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.